Good morning. Well, not so early in the morning, but as you saw yesterday, I tried to do this planning thing, and what happened? I finished going to work. I was called to work, so my plans changed, and I will have to change my day off. Now will be on Friday, so we will. Yesterday we actually did some of the stuff that we were planning to do. Not a lot, but it was a good beginning. Today we will do better, and we will begin from. It is 9:32. Yes, I took a little luxury to sleep a little extra since I came late from work. I have the closing shift to do, so we will not move these. We will do like a follow-up here. Let's see if this light is not so good. Sorry, the shadows. So we will put here extra stuff that we need. So we have the decor and the videos that we were trying to do. I have to finish, clean, and let me put here the vacuum part. Oh, is there mop? So house, that will be one that we have to do. I wanna do more if I need from the videos. I have some here, but trust me, after I did some yesterday, I need to do other stuff here too. I need to. We'll put these hours from 10. I'm a person that loves to stay until late, so it helps a lot. Okay, something that helped me to know what I'm doing is my hourly planner. That is when I have my main schedule of things that I need to do. And I have in pets, we will put here. Maybe I will not get everything done, but I need to clean decor in the aquarium, change 25% of water, need to change filters, check supplies, and here it was Frosty. It's my dog. Shower. He needs one really bad. He's white right now. Is beige. It's changing color. He loves to play outside, and it's always raining here. Other things that I needed to remember. I know that I have get dish soap from the. Okay. So on house I need to dish soap. Change of pillows. I'm missing something. I'm trying to remember what else I'm missing. Did I do here for each flowers? I know I mean. Oh, towels. Kitchen towels. Okay, video. So I have my monthly, my journal. So this one is film, my work planner. other one? I need to film week, and we will leave this one for what is going on the day. So now I will organize the time. Since then, so we go again, we will continue laundry, and like I say, 4 hours is what I need. 1, 2, 3, 4, at least until 2. And while I'm doing these, videos for at least 2 hours. 1, 2, maybe until here. It takes time, you know. And then call mom. This takes time. I couldn't call her because I went to work and we have a lot to catch up. After I finish laundry, I will iron, like it was my plan. So all this was not done, but I will organize here in the time that I need. So iron will take at least 2 hours. So we will put like until here. I have the ironing. While I'm doing this, I can watch, and also I can upload videos. So I have this time to do that part. I want to be able, see what I mean when I need to say that I need to have also an extra space here, because I wish I can do I have a lot of things that I can be doing at the same time. Sometimes while my videos are editing or uploading, I can do other stuff. So we will put on 6 in the afternoon. We don't know if that is when it will happen. Vacuum and mop, and we will say that we will take all this time here, but until that also we can be decor all the way down while we are doing that. We will see what we get done there. Until that, we also will be like dinner and stuff like that, and then we have extra time here, and maybe I will edit the video that I'm doing, and after that I will just relax if I can. There is it's just so funny. That's how we will begin the day, and we will be working on that. Let me see the temperature today. It looks like a nice day, so maybe we will be able to do more things and faster. Today is 36, no, 39. It's sunny. I know it. It is a sunny day. So will be the day. It goes from 44, 48 to 34. That's the range of the temperature for today. This maybe will be part of my brain dump that I call, that is like what I will be planning for, ideas and everything. Let's see what happened in this day for now. So let's go to begin the laundry. once I watch the videos and comment. I did my upload. I finish all my laundry. I finish all the ironing. I didn't do the vacuum. That goes for the next day. The same this. I haven't done the decor. And I didn't edit the daily one, but I did the other ones. Week film. I need to edit this. Have not done this, and I got this one. I checked the supplies and I know what I need. Just change pillows. I haven't done this. I took some of the decoration, and let's see. So a lot of these things will have to be moved to the next day anyway. I was also doing some brain dump, like you say, that is like going through what I want to do. Now I want to relax. What time is it? 5:23. It's supposed to be that until I have the iron I can do the vacuum. It's too late to do it. I didn't thought about that. I already have dinner. Maybe later I will continue editing and I don't have so much videos, editions and stuff to do. This will be for today. I will pass from 5 to the relaxed part. I think I deserve. I think I feel great to do that. So this will be for today. Tomorrow maybe we will do again. I wish to know if this kind of blog plan editions are fun or not. Anyway, I will cut the video here and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to check what sticker I create for you this time. See you soon.